Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, do you guys remember when last time, I think 2 days ago, I posted a video on girl, Mpumelelo Mseleko's girlfriend Amahle copying Tirelo's style, and I stumbled upon this video on TikTok, and gosh, I'm so glad that I'm not the only one who sees that. Like everybody else sees that. And then she's busy, she was throwing shade. I saw there was way, and I looked for that comment. I think she already deleted it, where someone was like, she posted a video of herself and said date night. I think she went on date night with Mpumelelo, but she didn't post Mpumelelo, she posted herself, right? And someone commented in Zulu, and they said, be careful of Utirelo, don't laugh too much with her, she's disrespectful. But they typed in Zulu, and she said, I know that one, Ngamazi, I know her. Girl, Yamazi, yes, of course, Yamazi, because of now you're mimicking him. Like, come on, girl. Like, you cannot, if I would die, you cannot do that. Dress intentionally the same outfits as my sister wife. I would never. I would even be, in that case, I would be careful. Generally, I don't care. But in that case, I'll be really, really careful. Not because I don't want to be compared to my sister wife. But again, like I told you guys, Trello deleted her pictures of Mpumelelo and videos on her page. She's getting what Uvuyo got. Tables are turning. I can't blame this girl for being disrespectful because of Utirolo was disrespectful to Uvuyo. So the tables have turned. Welcome to the club, Wanyanak. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.